Hello everyone, it's me Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you amazing tricks which is the cartoon peoples. The main image was like that, so I made it bride who are the new married couples, and you can use it your any sort of things, like you can use this one in a wedding card, you can use this one in a wish options and whatever. So I made it another card about that. You can use these as a card, you can use for the profile picture, whatever you can do. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first I'm turning off all the stuffs. So at first we'll take new to artboard, going to the new options, taking 1000 pixel, and another one going to the file and taking new, and another 1000 pixels and create button. So 1 and 2. So we'll put this face over there. So how to take this one? At first selecting this face, okay, and Control or Command C and Control or Command V. So this one fit with this, okay, that's good. And save this one. You can save this one 1 and 2, whatever you can do. So you can save this one groom or bride, warhead, whatever, you can save it in a JPEG format. And then the second one, selecting this girl photo, Control or Command C, copy this one and Control or Command V, and saving this one, actually save this and saving into the JPEG format. So here JPEG, and the girl should be like that, and save this one. So I'm replacing this one, okay, that's good. So now we'll go to the tools of like that. Here is a website which is the Tunmi, and you can upload over there. Here is a plus sign. After that you can upload the girl image, okay, it will take time, and after taking time it will provide you the some options of cartoon. You can choose from different options, or you can take the cartoon from there. So here the panel, it will show you several options. This one, I'll take this one and saving this out, it will save. You can save this one and saving this, okay. Now closing it up, going to the home, and now I'll import the boy image. So here is our boy image, and importing this one, it will take several minutes or seconds to process. So this one is another example for AI, artificial intelligence. You are giving the image and it is providing you the cartoon, okay. Here are lots of options, you can choose one of them. I'll choose this one and download this one, the second image, okay. The image should be saved over there in your directory, okay. Let's back to this image. So this is our main image, and after that going to the file and place embedded options. So girl photo and the boy photo I'll provide or import over there. And after importing that, just select this one, actually this one, and going to the object selection tool and select the area, okay, that's good, that's fine. And you can select and mask, and here should be refine edge, okay, that's good. And then making this one new layer and hit OK. So press Ctrl or Command T and resize this one accordingly. So I'm resizing this, okay, that's fine. And now just mask this one and brush the areas. Press Ctrl or Command T, you have to place it properly, okay. You can make this one a little bit of smaller, like this and like this, okay. After masking that, brush, going to the brush tool, make the brush size smaller, B from the brush, and third bracket opening and closing will help you out to make the brush size smaller and bigger, and brush properly, Ctrl Command V and place it properly, that's good. Press Ctrl Command T, making this one a little bit of like this, and B from the keyboard and brush this area and this area actually. So our boy photo done. And now I'm just going to file and going to the place embedded options. From here I'll take the girl image and this image, Ctrl Command T, making this one smaller. Okay, that's good. And little bit of big. Okay, turning off the opacity, little bit of down, because of I'll adjust the like eyes and everything properly of the girl. So I think that's good, that's fine actually. So after that, mask this one, and after masking that, B from the keyboard, that means the brush tool, and brush over there. So brush properly. I'll select this one and making another copy, making this one into convert to smart object, and now I will apply the well paint. So going to the filter and going to the styles and well paints, you can get this one into other and the well paint. So here is the styles and well paint options. So the setting should be like this, the setting 1, you can make this one more if you want, but I'll make this one a little bit 1.4, 1.2 is good, and making this one a little bit down 5.4 or 5.3, and adjust all the settings as your own. So it apply well paint and it will merge properly, and it will make the normal image to cartoon image easily, and which is really cool and which is really amazing. And after that you can use this in your invitation card and whatever. So this one is another Photoshop template, and here is edit options, and just double press over there, it will open up new window, and delete this one, going to the file and going to the place embedded options, and after that going to here that image which we made the cartoon. So making this cartoon into bigger like this, and then Ctrl or Command S, save this one, and it will save in this card, and it will be amazing cartoon portrait, and which is nice. So this one you can just getting the outstanding output. I given the idea, just practice at home, and you can comment in my video comment section, and don't forget to share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. If you have any kind of question, please do comment in my video comment section. Until the next video, ASM Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.